find irrational roots, we need to use what's called Newton's method. And he says to find C in the domain of f with f of c equals 0, this is another name for a solution or a root. First we guess x1, and then to find our second guess, we take the first guess minus the y value at the first guess divided by the derivative at the first guess. Now if the absolute value of our first guess and our second guess is small enough, then we're done. Otherwise we continue to use this process over and over. It's called an iteration by continue and repeating this process. So we need to start somewhere. If we look at our graph to the right, notice if we let x equal 1, the y value is -2. If we let x equal 2 and substitute it in, we wind up that y equals 8. So somewhere between 1 and 2 we have our value. Now x1 is equal to 1, and we want to find the next value. Now what Newton's method does, it takes the point x equal 1, your first guess, and draws a tangent line. And this tangent line, where it hits the x-axis, is the second guess, x2. So let's see if we can determine x2. To take x2, we take x1, which is 1, minus the y value of x1, which is -2, divided by the derivative. Let's say we need the derivative here. So f prime of x equals 3x squared plus 3. We take f prime when x is equal to 1, gives us 3 times 1 squared plus 3, which gives us 6. So we have 1 plus 1/3. So that gives us 1.3333. Now, so our second answer is 1.333. Let's suppose we want more accuracy and we want to find the next approximation, x3. So again, using our formula, we take x2, which is 1.333, minus the y value here, which using the calculator gives us 0.3704, divided by, and also substituting in for the derivative, gives us 8.3333. And we'll calculate this, but what's happening now is we took the y value here, drew another tangent line, and this gives us our next approximation, which gives us 1.2888. So that would be our approximation for the final answer there. And if we use our calculator, the final actual answer would be x equal to 1.2879. So we've approximated the answer where the function crosses the x-axis using Newton's method.